It's really no exaggeration, viewer, when we say that temperatures, political that is, are rising on an everyday basis in West Bengal. A day after Home Minister Amit Shah made his Poribartan pitch in the state, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee's aide Prashant Kishore, who has earlier worked with the BJP, has now thrown out a huge challenge to his former employers. Prashant Kishore, who is Didi's political advisor and manager, has dared the BJP to cross the double-digit mark in the upcoming assembly elections in Bengal. Kishore says that all the hype in favor of the BJP is by supportive media, but in reality it will not be able to cross double digits. He also said that he will quit Twitter if the BJP wins in double digits in the Bengal elections. Replying to Prashant Kishore's tweet, the BJP's Bengal in charge, Kailash Vijayvargiya, said that after the Bengal polls, the country will be one political strategist less. Well, most people are quite clued into Prashant Kishore. He's been a political manager ever since his big emergence in 2014. But just as a reminder, because this will give you context about why this challenge that has been thrown by Prashant Kishore is particularly sharp. This will give you the context of that. Who is Prashant Kishore? This guy who is now Mamata Banerjee's manager. This is his report card. He was tasked to work with the BJP in 2011 as a number cruncher political manager. The result, Modi won Gujarat for the third time in 2012. Then his task was, his big, most high-profile task was being the BJP's poll strategist for the 2014 Lok Sabha elections. We know the result of that. It saw Narendra Modi storming to power. Then he quit the BJP quite unceremoniously and went to the JDU, where he was Nitish Kumar's poll strategist in 2015. Nitish Kumar won that election as well. Then he worked with the Congress in the Punjab elections. Captain Amrinder Singh became the chief minister under his guidance. He managed the Congress's campaign in 2017 for UP, but that is where he really met his challenge, because the Congress was nearly wiped out, winning just 7 seats. So that was one black mark on his record so far. He was famously recently Jagan Reddy's poll strategist in the 2019 assembly elections in Andhra Pradesh. The YSRCP completely, won 151 out of 175 seats, completely wiping out the others. He worked with the Aam Aadmi Party for the 2020 Delhi elections, 62 out of 70 seats. The Aam Aadmi Party winning even more than the last time. So Prashant Kishore is a guy to be reckoned with. He's got a record that speaks for itself, apart from that Congress UP campaign. But him throwing out this challenge now is going to be interpreted in many different ways. Manogya Loiwal is with me from Kolkata on this story. Manogya, here's a guy who has worked with the BJP. He's worked with all the big guys of the BJP, from Gujarat to the center. He knows them inside out. He knows the election machinery inside out. He's really an insider who's become the enemy now. And he's the guy throwing this challenge to the BJP now.
And it's nothing new. Prashant Kishore has been known for making heads turn like this, and of course his performance when it comes to the assembly elections, or even for that matter general elections, has been exemplary in several cases. But this time seems to be a little different, especially with the history and the past of a few elections that have been there. Some of them went excellently well, brilliantly performed by the political parties where he was the strategist, and some didn't go the way they were expected to. How the Bengal will turn around is for the people to decide. But as a strategist, this is a huge competition, and this is a huge campaign that he has started at behest of himself, challenging BJP and putting it on record that BJP wouldn't be able to cross the double-digit mark in this state. This has been the claim of TMC all throughout, and now with Prashant Kishore joining as the strategist as well as presenting his own case, he would not be there on that platform. That itself speaks volumes about the days to come.
Very interesting. And the point is that Prashant Kishore is not fully a politician. He's still the political manager. He's been part of the JDU as well. Many people say he has transformed into a politician, but it is that middle ground that he still occupies that makes this quite tantalizing. Manogya, thank you very much for that. But before I go to my guess on the Prashant Kishore issue, I have to update you, because Amit Shah has been in West Bengal over the last couple of days. Big road show, large tour that he had in the state. But today, Mamata Banerjee hit back. Bengal Chief Minister launched a tirade against the BJP and Amit Shah. Take a look at what she said.
टोलबाजी करने में नंबर 1 है, भ्रष्टाचार में नंबर 1 है, परिवारवाद चलाने में नंबर 1 है, हिंसा करने में नंबर 1 है, बम धमाकों में नंबर 1 है, कार्यकर्ताओं की हत्या कराने में नंबर 1 है। जो बंगाल कभी नंबर 1 पर दिखाई पड़ता था, आज कहीं पर भी 20 के ऊपर नहीं दिखाई पड़ता है।
উনি কিছু কিছু কথা কালকে টোটাল লাই বলে গেছেন, গার্বেজ অফ লাইস। আমি অমিত জিকে বলবো, অমিত जी आप तो होम मिनिस्टर है, आपको ये शोभा नहीं देती कि आप कोई गंदा बात, झूठा बात जो आपका पार्टी वर्कर क्लियर कर दे, वो आप क्रॉस चेक नहीं करके बोले, जिसको अंदाजा आपका नहीं है। आप पहले बोलने का पहले प्लीज क्रॉस चेक कीजिए मेहनत करके।
जब तक पूरा इकोसिस्टम घुसपैठ के बारे में सीरियस नहीं होता है, घुसपैठ रुक नहीं पाती है। और मैं नहीं मानता कि तुष्टीकरण के आधार पर, अपीसमेंट के आधार पर चलने वाली एक तृणमूल कांग्रेस की सरकार घुसपैठ रोक सकती है। घुसपैठ केवल और केवल भारतीय जनता पार्टी रोक सकती है।
BJP is a cheating barge party. The politics of the BJP leaders is, for politics they can do anything, they can say anything, and they can say all the garbage of lies. They cannot decide the fate of the citizens. Let them decide their own fate. We are against of this, we are against of NPR, we are against of NRC. Nothing is being withdrawn right now. So it very much exists. And we will fight the battle, and we will not allow any people to go out from the country.
And welcoming back on to 5 Live for a quick face-off, Priyanka Tibrewal of the BJP, Biswajit Deb of the Trinamool Congress. Welcome to the both of you. Priyanka, Mamta versus the BJP is standard fare now. That has become our staple diet in this election. So I'm not very interested in the Mamta versus Amit Shah issue. Prashant Kishore has now emerged. He's broken the surface. He's had some very interesting jibes and taunts to make in the BJP, on Twitter, saying you will not cross double digits. He's a guy who's worked with your party, Priyanka. Everyone is well aware of that. He knows the ins and outs of the BJP's political machine. How is the BJP taking Prashant Kishore's jibe?
Good evening, Shiv, first of all. And let me tell you, see, I do not differ from what you just said about Prashant Kishore, that he is a professional in all aspects, and whatever he has done is actually remarkable. And I have no issues against that. But I will also like to state something today, that elections are not fought on statements of political analysts. Let me just tell you, it is the party which does their best. Yes, whatever they are analyzing, whatever they are saying is also welcome. But here, let me also remind you that he is a pay talker. And he is talking on behalf of TMC as a professional who has been paid to speak and do things for TMC. So whatever he has said today, time will speak for itself. Apart from that, yes, what he just wrote in his tweet was that he would quit Twitter if whatever he said proves to be wrong. So let me just tell him that will not make any difference to any of us. You should rather accept the challenge of quitting to work as a political paid analyst. Are you ready to do that? Then we'll show you the results soon.
Biswajit Deb, paid talker, paid analyst is what the BJP says. They say they are not intimidated by this jibe, even though Prashant Kishore has credentials to prove that he is a formidable entity and a formidable advisor, as he has proven with the BJP in the past as well. But now you've heard Priyanka say he's a paid talker, paid analyst.
Well, when he was engaged by the BJP, at that time he was also a paid talker. But what I would like to say
But he didn't do very much talking that time. That's what she's saying.
What I would like to say is this. He is relying on his statement is based on facts. And facts based on the elections which were held in the state assemblies post 2019 parliament elections. Okay. You come to Delhi first. First you come to Delhi. Delhi in the parliament elections, out of the 70 assembly segments, BJP got a lead in 65. In Jharkhand, you come to Jharkhand, BJP got a lead in 51 out of the 80 assembly segments. Come to, I think Bihar. Yes, Bihar.
Okay.
225 assembly segments, they got a lead. And after the elections, held in the assembly elections, the results were 125. Now you could see the gradual change in the style and the pattern of voting by the people from the parliament elections to the assembly elections.
Okay.
And this is exactly where Mr. Prashant Kishore is relying. It is the same thing which will happen in Bengal.
Okay.
Bengal, they got a lead in 121 assembly segments in the parliament elections.
Okay.
They should not dream about a double-digit figure, I am telling you.
Okay.
What Mr. Kishore has said
Shiv,
is
they actually
absolutely
got so
based on
impressed
facts.
seeing how
Which had
BJP is
happened.
working.
Which had
Priyanka, the
happened.
Trinamool says that
Which had happened in
far from being a paid talker, he's relying on science and signals and indications and noise from the ground
Well, see,
to
this
make
is,
those
I can
make
also
that
say
challenge.
this is vice versa. This is vice versa. Prashant Kishore got that so much of like the way he's working and people are appreciating that. Maybe BJP is the reason for all that. He's getting this mileage because of BJP. But nevertheless, see, the voters of the place, the voter of the country, the voter of the state will vote. And Prashant Kishore, whatever he has mentioned, again I'm saying, Twitter is not too big a place. He will have to, is he ready to quit working as a paid analyst? That is what is our question. And I ask you that.
Biswajit Deb, you can answer that specific question, but take my question.
It might not be a big place. But what I can say, what I can repeat is this. His statement or his tweet was based on facts, and facts which were based on the results of the assembly elections post parliament
Because
even
the point also is Biswajit
in
Deb
Maharashtra,
that
in Maharashtra,
Prashant Kishore does not tweet very much. He does not say very much.
You please let me finish. Please let me finish.
But you're
Even in
making the same
Maharashtra,
point, sir.
in
You're making the
Madhya
same
Pradesh,
point.
What happened? What happened in
getting
Maharashtra?
impatient.
What happened in Madhya Pradesh? Same thing happened.
But sir,
and BJP resorted to horse trading, nothing else. But
Sir, you're making the same point. I am simply
in
saying
Karnataka.
why it is a little surprising to see Prashant Kishore suddenly, break his silence and speak at this time. There's 6 months to go for the elections. There is one view that Prashant Kishore is a man of few words. He does not usually come out in public in this manner. So is it a sign of defensiveness?
No, not at all. This is an assessment made after he assessed the ground reality. This is a statement after he assessed the ground reality. And this is the ground reality
No, this
as of
I'm
now.
sorry.
I'll come to you,
I think
Priyanka.
this
Let me
is-
finish.
This is the ground reality as of now.
Priyanka,
BJP is living in paradise.
Priyanka,
they
you
are
okay.
they are
finish.
nothing else but
See,
they are
everyone
daydreaming.
knows.
They are daydreaming.
Everyone knows what kind
It's
of
a daydream
mindset
for them.
Mamata Banerjee
This
has,
is
how
ground
impatient she is.
They don't. they
Priyanka,
don't
take
have
my
they
question.
don't have it.
Let me
They are
ask Priyanka a
candidates.
question now.
They don't have a
Priyanka,
face.
no,
They don't have a face alternative to-
is the
alternative to
BJP?
Mamata
I know that a brave
Let
face
them
has to
say
be put up.
Who is the chief ministerial candidate?
One second. I know that a brave face needs to be put up, but is the BJP in any way intimidated by this jibe, Priyanka? Because ultimately, this is a guy who does the number crunching. He knows how the election process works. Maybe his biggest
Shiv, I
strength
think-
is the fact that he is not really a politician, and he is still saying this.
Shiv, I think my entire demeanor, my body language, my expressions, they speak for itself. I don't even need to say that how patiently we are handling the situation and how patient we are. And on the other side, look at the impatience of TMC. Look at the body language of the chief minister. Who was panicked? Who was impatient? Who looks worried? They are. Because they
Question
should
doesn't
be.
arise.
Because 9.5
Question
years,
doesn't arise.
people of Bengal have suffered horrendously
What's
just
the
because
reason?
of
What's the reason to be
TMC.
panicking?
They have been cruel.
It's
They have
our
been cruel to
ground.
the people of Bengal. And
We
now
have-
it is
we
their
have our
time to pay
president.
back. And they will have to
We
pay
have
back.
our
See,
president.
there is a lot of pressure
have to be with
immensely.
us.
There is immense pressure on
We are-
Prashant
we
Kishore.
are based-
That is why
we are
he is
based on
speaking
development.
through his tweets.
Okay.
Because now, if Mamata Banerjee could, she could have made him sit in the press conference. Because her impatience you have seen on the stage. A chief minister, tell me, you should have some certain dignity.
No,
of the
we'll play out
chair.
what
How
Mamata
she
Banerjee said
speaks.
again in a moment. Yeah, finish your point,
And please
Priyanka.
let me reply.
Yeah,
And
so
please
how,
let me reply.
what she was speaking, what she has been speaking.
Okay.
That I will put a rope on Modi's kamar.
So
I
your
will
point-
shut down Nadda Gadda.
So
It
you're
is
saying-
all everywhere.
you're
Look
saying
at the
that this is a
speeches.
sign of
They are
desperation.
not worth listening.
Not at all.
The
We are
BJP says
absolutely-
Prashant
it
Kishore's
proves that
deployment
she
is a sign
has
of
lost-
desperation.
And we are
I'll
She
play out
is
for you
so
what Mamata Banerjee said in just a
impatient.
moment. Yes,
People
Biswajit.
of Bengal are with us.
No, respond to her. She's saying that the use of Prashant Kishore right after Amit Shah's tour you know, the chief minister's language, the words that she has used today and before this is a sign of desperation and recognition of the growing BJP, Biswajit?
Absolutely not. Absolutely not. Absolutely. This is again a misleading statement made by the representative of BJP. See, we have our organization. We have the people with us. We are based on development. We know the development work which had been done by the government since the last 10 years. So what's the reason for us to be panicky? And that also a chief minister of a stature of Mamata Banerjee. We are not at all panicky. We know the grassroots, we know our people, and we know that the people are with us. And we are very confident. And that is why Prashant Kishore had tweeted that BJP will not cross double figure.
No, it's a very specific thing because, you know, I'll just come to you, Priyanka. See, one of the things I like about what's going on right now is there is so much political rhetoric and vague stuff that is said between the parties. Here you have Prashant Kishore coming out and saying something that's very arithmetical. He is saying something very specific. He's saying double digits cross nahi kar paoge, and if that happens, then I will quit Twitter. Now, people can say this is a game of brinkmanship. It's a kind of, you know, it's a kind of sly jibe at the BJP. But the fact is, he has said something very specific here. This is a guy who has a certain track record, which Priyanka also very graciously acknowledged. But since you mentioned Mamata Banerjee, Priyanka, I want to play out for our viewers once again what she used today, because elections have become about buzzwords. Now, cheat bars is a word that Mamata has just used. Take a look on Amit Shah.
BJP is a cheating baj party. Bengali we will say cheating baj. But sorry, English it may be cheated. The politics of the BJP leaders is, for politics they can do anything. They can say anything. And they can say all the garbage of lies. When they pass the act, from that time we are opposing. And I said that every citizen of this country is the citizen of this country. Earlier there is a provision that DM should have given the permission for the newcomers from if they complete this 5 years or 3 years like this. But whoever who came before 1971, all are the citizens of this country. And Mothuas, they are very much citizens of this country. And we have recognized all the refugee colonies. They are the recognized. All my Bengal people are the recognized people. And they are the citizens. We all the citizens of this country. They cannot decide the fate of the citizens. Let them decide their own fate. We are against of this, we are against of NPR, we are against of NRC. Nothing is being withdrawn right now. So it very much exists. And we will fight the battle and we will not allow any people to go out from the country.
So you've had Prashant Kishore and Mamata Banerjee basically, say stuff on the same day. Priyanka, cheating bars is something she sort of repeated during that press conference. Respond to that.
See,
cheating bars, a day after Amit Shah's
whatever
left.
she does, that speaks volume about the kind of background and the kind of mentality she's having. But I would not like to comment on that. What I would actually like to mention now is, see, actions speak louder than words, and her actions are speaking. She was calling us the outsiders. She was addressing BJP leaders as outsiders. And what has she done today? She's calling leaders from the other parties. Now she's calling the NCP leaders, she's calling the Akhilesh Yadav, Lalu Prasad Party, Sharad Pawar to come join hands, stand united for West Bengal. Who are these people? Are they insiders of Bengal? How much do they know about the culture of Bengal? Please ask him this question.
Biswajit Deb, defend that, because the insider-outsider theme is something that's very big. I think that's a legitimate question.
Let me reply. She has not invited anyone. The leaders from outside the state of West Bengal, whom she has just now named, they have extended their support wholeheartedly on their own. Mamata Banerjee did not invite them, neither she has asked them to support. They have come out of their own. That's number one. Number two, you see, we are, again I am repeating, that we are not at all worried and neither we are panicky. And the question of Mamata Banerjee becoming panicky does not arise, because we have done development. She has done a lot of development. She has done the Shastro Shati. Now she is doing the Duare Sarkar, where 1,12 lakh people have already enrolled themselves till 20th of December 2020. And already the Shastro Shati program, where people will be benefited
Okay,
by
okay.
insurance of 5 lakhs. That also, that enrollment and the card distribution has started. More than 3.5 lakh people have already received their identity cards. So we
okay,
are
okay.
not at all concerned.
Okay.
We are
Shiva,
not at all
please allow me to
concerned.
give
no,
you
please,
a
please.
final answer to whatever he just said.
You
are
can
not at
respond.
all-
You can
No,
respond to
we
him.
know
You can
that
respond to him.
economic development.
I'm almost
Mamata
out of time.
Banerjee is aware-
Priyanka, you can respond to
Yes.
him.
And what
And
she
also,
has-
I wanted to say the Prashant Kishore factor. You know, he's sort of opened his account by making this challenge today on Twitter, Priyanka. There may be more ahead. So is the BJP also strategizing its communications in terms
He
of how
is
to
not
handle Prashant
doing
Kishore?
this. Nor is this a strategy. This is a pressure which has been put on him by Mamata Banerjee. That what are you doing? What are we paying you for? Because things are turning upside down for us. So
Okay.
you got to do something when you promised. So he's trying his best. Well, that's his work, and I don't want to interfere on that.
Prashant
but
Kishore-
apart from that, let me
Prashant
also
Kishore
say,
has told- has
my
said such
opposition
things
just said,
in their
my
ears.
opposition person speaking from TMC just mentioned that Mamata Banerjee did not call anyone. Well, let me tell him that this is not the first time she has called this meeting before, also last year before the Lok Sabha elections,
Okay.
where she was saying that the BJP will go down to 0, where she was saying that BJP will not get any seats. But
चलता
We
है
are
election
discussing
time
about
में
her
ये सब.
expectations,
We are
BJP got
discussing
18
about the
here, and
assembly
this time
elections.
again she's doing
We
the
are
same
discussing
thing,
about the
and again
assembly
he says
elections.
that the
We are
opposition
not
stands
discussing
united.
about the
So
parliament
doesn't
elections.
matter.
Okay,
Last
okay.
time it
This
were
is gone.
more than 23
The parliament
parties.
No,
elections-
it is a big
You
test,
people
Biswajit.
all over the
You're right.
world.
No,
Even
you're,
then,
I agree with both of you. I agree with both of you.
We are not.
Ultimately,
We are not discussing about the parliament elections.
Ultimately, all these
Again,
tweets.
I told you they are panicking.
Ultimately,
See
it's the
how
people's
impatient he
Ultimately,
is,
the
how
people will
panicky he
decide.
is.
It will not be Prashant Kishore.
Look at this.
It will not be the BJP or the Trinamool. It will be the people who will
And the
decide.
actually expect
and the
that, yes,
people
I
are-
don't-
the kind
people of
of
Bengal.
whom we
Okay,
have
okay,
in,
okay.
Bengal,
Completely
she
out of
is
time.
panicking.
Completely
Look
out
at
of time.
Look at the spokesperson panicness. You can make it out
okay.
here only.
Priyanka and Biswajit, Dev, always a pleasure. I wish I could spend more time on this, but I'm completely out of time. I know I'll have both of you back very soon this week here on 5 Live. Well, that's a wrap on this. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.